Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with an LG air conditioner flashing the error code CH50, you're in the right place. This code can be a real headache, especially during those sweltering summer days, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. First off, let's talk about what CH50 actually means. In LG air conditioners, error code CH50 typically points to an issue with the compressor's discharge temperature or possibly a problem with the inverter module. It's often related to overheating or a fault in the system's refrigerant cycle, which could stem from low refrigerant levels, a clogged filter, or even electrical glitches. Now, before you panic, let's go over some common causes. One of the most frequent culprits is insufficient refrigerant, which might happen due to a leak. Another possibility is a malfunctioning sensor that's not reading temperatures correctly, or even a dirty condenser coil that's preventing proper heat exchange. If your unit is older, wear and tear on internal components could be the issue too. The good news is, you can try a few troubleshooting steps at home. Start by turning off the power to your air conditioner at the circuit breaker and waiting about 5 minutes before turning it back on. This simple reset can sometimes clear the error. Next, check and clean your air filters if they're clogged, as dust buildup can strain the system. Also, ensure the outdoor unit is free from debris like leaves or dirt that might be blocking airflow. If you're comfortable, inspect the refrigerant lines for any obvious signs of damage, but remember, handling refrigerant requires certification, so don't attempt refills yourself. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it's time to call in a professional. They can use specialized tools to diagnose and fix the issue safely. Remember, ignoring error codes can lead to bigger problems, like complete unit failure, so acting quickly is key. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.